Too little, too late, Chew.
Pulled her. Too little, too late.
Oh, too little, too late. Hey.
Too little, too late, Harry.
Too little, too late, Fogarty.
Too little, too late.
Too little, too late, Benji.
Too little, too late.
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 It's too little, too late, Mother.
Too little, too late.
Or too little, too late.
Too little, too late.
I love you too, Ma.
Too little, too late.
You're too little.
Too little, too late, huh?
You've been warned!
I've been warned.
You've been warned.
So, you've been warned.
Okay.
You've been warned.
You've been warned, Shenzi.
You've been warned, people. Harassing us. Leave now or I'll...
Warned repeatedly.
I've been warned.
You've been warned. Stop chiropractic.
You've been warned.
You've been warned.
You've been warned.
Okay. All right. You've been warned.
That's one. You've been warned.
You've been warned.
You've been warned.
What did you do?
You've been warned.
Keep your nose clean. And
Yet somehow he manages to keep his nose clean.
Keep your nose clean. No.
Crazy mutt. Keep your nose clean.
You gonna be able to keep your nose clean for a whole year?
You keep your nose clean, sunshine.
And if you keep your noses clean, keep your noses clean
and your heart's free of worms.
Keep your nose clean for
Keep your nose clean and we'll revisit it. You keeping your nose clean?
Keeping your nose clean?
How you saved her life. Kept your nose clean.
Don't get your hopes up.
Don't get your hopes up, Ray.
Bye! Don't get your hopes up!
Don't get my hopes up, okay?
Don't get your hopes up, boy. Don't get your hopes up.
Don't get your hopes up, boys.
Yeah, don't get your hopes up.
Well, don't get your hopes up.
Now, don't get your hopes up.
Well, now, don't get your hopes up.
Sophie, don't get your hopes up.
Don't get your hopes up.
Okay, well, don't get your hopes up. We don't have those.
Don't get his hopes up.
Yeah, well, don't get your hopes.
Don't get your hopes up, laddie.
You don't mean that.
You don't mean that.
You don't mean that.
You don't mean that.
You don't mean that. You don't mean that.
You don't mean that.
You don't mean that. You don't mean that.
You don't mean that.
Mean that.
Don't mean that. Oh!
You don't mean that.
You don't mean that. Can you imagine when the streets run? Wow. Turn our golden faces into the sun. Pushing our leaders, getting into the music played by the 𝗦𝗵𝗿𝗶𝗁.
What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, no, it's up to me. No one can say what we